Myself Nitya. I am currently pursuing my engineering in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bangalore. Today we are discussing about Agile process, which is a part of software engineering. Let us see one by one. First, let us see about the Agile frameworks. In that, the key frameworks are Scrum, Kanban, Extreme Programming. In Scrum, which involves working in sprints, typically 2 to 4 weeks, with roles such as Scrum Master, Product Owner, and Development Team, where Kanban, which focuses on visualizing work, limiting work in progress, and maintaining the flow. Whereas extreme programming, which helps for empathizes technical excellences and customer satisfaction with practices like pair programming and test driven development. And let us see about the common elements, that is iterations, user stories, backlogs, daily stand ups, and retrospectives. Iterations iterations, which is a short time boxed periods where a specific set of work is completed, whereas user stories, which is a short descriptions of functionalities from the user perspectives. Whereas backlog, it is an ordered list of tasks or features that need to be completed. Whereas daily stand-ups, which is a short daily meetings to discuss progress and impediments and plans for the day. Retrospectives, which is helps for meetings at the end of each iteration to reflect on what went well and what can be improved. Now let us see about the agile principles. The agile manifesto outlines four core values and 12 principles, where we have four core values for this principle and 12 principles. We have 12 principles. First, let us see about the core values, which is in that firstly is individual and interactions over process and tools, which helps for empathize the importance of team communication and collaboration, where working software over comprehensive documents, which focuses on delivering a functional software frequency, whereas customer collaboration over contract negotiation, which helps for encouraging ongoing engagement with the customer, whereas responding to change over flow a plan, which helps for stresses, flexibility, and adaptation. Next, let us see 12 principles, that is, firstly, customer satisfaction, where which helps customer satisfaction is the first principle through early and continuous delivery of valuable software. Customer satisfaction means it helps for uh, early delivery, which helps for continuous delivery and early delivery for the customers. Whereas welcome changing requirements, it means even late in development to provide competitive advantage. Even it is late to develop, we need to welcome the changes. Next, frequent delivery, which deliver the working software frequently from a couple of weeks to a couple of months. Frequently, it means need to. Next, collaboration, which helps for business people and developers must work together daily, motivated individuals, which helps for to provide the environment and support needed and trust them to get the job done. Face to conversation face to face conversation, which helps for the most efficient and effective method of conveying the information. Whereas working software, the primary measure of process. Working software means it is the primary measure of process. Where sustainable development, it able to maintain a constant pace indefinitely. Next, technical excellence. It enhances the agility with good design and technical practices. Whereas simplicity, it helps for maximizing the amount of work not done in essential not done is essential. Next, self-organizing team, which is a best architectures, requirements and design emerges from self-organizing teams. And reflection. At regular intervals, team reflect on how to become more effective and adjust accordingly. Next, let us see the advantages. The first advantage is flexibility and adaptability, where Agile allows for changes in project requirements even late in the development process. It can adapt to new information, changing markets, and evolve the customer needs. Whereas second one, the second advantage is customer which engages and satisfaction. Continuous customer which they involves ensures the final product meets the customer expectation, where regular feedback loops and iterations helps in quickly addressing the customer concern and refining the product. Whereas one second Whereas the third advantage is improved product quality, which is frequent testing and reviewing at the end of the each iteration helps in identifying and fixing the defects early. Where continuous integration and deployment practices the lead to a more robust and reliable product, where faster time to market with incremental releases which enable early delivery of a fundamental product, which allows customers to start using and benefiting from the product sooner. Whereas better risk, it also helps for better risk management with regular assessment of project progress and risks allows for early detection and mitigation of issues. Incremental delivery, which reduces the impact of risks ac- associated with complete project failure, and enhanced team collaboration, which empathizes the communication and collaboration with the team and with stakeholders. Self-organizing team take the ownership and are motivated to deliver quickly work. Next, continuous improvement. It helps to encourage a culture of continuous learning and adaptation. Thank you for watching the video.